Hi developer, so this is the second part for product detail page, and here we will just do two things. First one, we will make this quantity input group working. So once you will click on the plus and minus, the quantity should change. After that, we will just provide some links for product detail page. So let's say once you will just click on view detail of that product, you should redirect on the product detail page. Same thing should happen with the whenever we are just clicking on the browser image. So this is basically a small image, but here you will learn one more thing which is really important, like how you will handle the link with the blur event. So what I'm talking about, so once you are just, let's say you are searching something and you got two auto suggestions. So once you will just click on Samsung mobile or iPhone, you will find that the link will not gonna work here, because as you know we use their blur event. Once you will just click outside on that search box, this is automatically closed. So this will conflict with the link and blur event. So how we can handle it, I will just let you know at the last of this part. So now let's start with the let's go on the product detail page and let's see that how we can just make it working. All right, so let's just close all of these tags, all of these files, and again just open file with the name of product detail, and let me add there a function on click event. So whenever we will just click there, so handle quantity event will be fire, and we will pass a param that will be string param like minus, and once we will just click on the button of +1, then we will just send a plus parameter. And now let's define this function. So let's go to the TS file and just declare this function, and we will get the string value. So just define the type of it, and after that, so we will check the conditions. So let's just make a first condition for the plus button. So we will check there if our quantity, maximum quantity will be the 20 per product. So if the quantity, and now you will think that like what is this quantity? So this is the quantity, that how much quantity we want. So the better is you can just say that product quantity, right? That is I think more suitable property name. So we can check that if quantity is less than 20 and the value is triple equal to plus, that time what we can do, that we can increase 1 point in this dot product quantity, right? And for that you can you can increase the quantity with the two way. First one is you can just simply use product quantity plus 1, right? And smaller way is just simply use their plus equal to 1, right? That means you are increasing the value by 1. And you can also put the same way with the else condition, and here we will check that if product quantity is greater than 1 and we are just getting value as minus, then we can -1 item. And now use this product quantity as a value of the input box, right? Like this. All right, so now whenever I'm just clicking over it, you can see that value is increasing. The maximum value will be go till 20. After that it will stop increasing. Same way, if I am just decreasing it, it will just go till 1, because we cannot buy quantity with the quantity 0. All right, so now the next thing is we want to just give a link on the browser and detail view so that we can jump on the product detail. So for that, let's go on search.component.html once and copy this link, right? And now we can go on the home page. Let's find out the browser image there. Here we have browser image. I am putting there a tag, right? And let me just close this a tag now. And with the same way, let's just replace this empty anchor tag with the router link, and it should be just link with the, you can say that view product detail like this, right? And now you will find that we can easily jump on the product detail page. So if I'm just clicking over there, I can just jump on product detail page. So let's say I just want to check out the noise detail, watch, then this is still working fine. All right. So the last thing is, so let's say I just search there something in search box and we got auto suggestion, and now if you will just try to use this link there, it will not gonna work. So let me open the header.component.html and just replace this anchor tag with the link, right? And now if I'm just clicking over, let's say, just let me search with the laptop. If I'm just clicking over there, this is not redirecting. Why? Because this is conflicting with the blur event, and to handle it, we have to just again use their mouse down event. So can I use click event also? No, actually click event always fire after the blur event, and mouse down event will fire before the blur. So we should use their before mouse down event, right? And we don't need this link for now, and let's create a function there. So let's say redirect to you can see that redirect to details, and let's pass their item.id, and now we have to just declare this function inside our header.component.ts file. Simply just put that function, and we are getting id there. So an id that will be type of number, and now what we need to do, we just need to redirect the page, and we already use the navigation function there, so you can just copy from there and paste it there. And now where we have to redirect it on the details page, and with the detail we have to just use id also, and now it should work. Let's check it out. So let's say I'm just searching for toy, and if I'm just clicking on the truck, you can see that this is working fine. Same way, let's say you are searching AB Levi's jeans, and this is still working fine, right? And quantity is also working. So in next part we will learn that how we can just add our product in cart also. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can like this video and you can share your feedback in comment section. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.